YouTube, JB from Oz here. We're just out having a beer in the front yard, commenting on how nice and cool it is. And we thought, why don't we do an experiment? And we've got a thermometer here, which is showing us a couple of temperatures, 25 degrees and 27.5 degrees. And we're sitting into the shade of our front yard at home. And I said to my wife, I bet you'd be like 15 degrees hotter just outside on the other side of the fence. So we're going to find out. Showing 43 degrees on the concrete.
What about under the mulberry?
Okay, let's go and see how our temperature compares underneath the shade over here. So this is where we had lawn before. It's really quite pleasant under here. A bit of shade and a bit of wind. Might just leave that to settle and come back and see what it is. Have a beer. Bit of shade. Everything's looking pretty healthy. This is our pecan. Doing well this year. It struggles here really badly because of the strong winds. But it's providing lots of shade. The ice cream bean struggles a bit. Probably found water soon. Sweet potato. Just a ground cover. That sort of manages to keep going even though the lupins and the weeds don't survive so well. Got a mandarin here, which is still looking pretty strong. The natives, of course, just love it. Doing really well. And in the back, we have a lemon myrtle, which is surviving. Doing pretty well, really. It's struggled for a long time. Just going to seed a bit there now. Megan's just creating a bit of an opening in the canopy over in the mulberry so that the chocolate sapote can have a bit more light. Got an agent here doing well. No problems at all. Just opened up the canopy of the mulberry a little bit. It's a little bit more light than the chocolate sapote. But yeah, the mulberry is a great pioneer, plus it gives us all this fruit. Pecan, we have one pecan nut off last year, but hopefully coming some more. And the rosemary is just a stalwart of the herb garden. Love it. Oh, and of course the jasmine, Chinese jasmine. Just brings a nice, beautiful scent through the whole front yard.